Fucking getting my steps in. I'm in Virginia Beach, home of the motherfucking police. Hold up. We in the motherfucking straight 8. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jones back with another motherfucking banger, man. Protect Philippe. You know it ain't motherfucking cheap. And we back with another motherfucking banger. For real, I ain't doing shit today. I'm just riding. I just had to come to the mall to get some shit for my daughter for her birthday, man. Y'all tell my daughter happy birthday. Her birthday was October 30th. I got a motherfucking 8-year-old, fucking 27. I feel like I'm getting up there, man. But you already know, we in the motherfucking straight 8. SRT8 392 gang. I'm up here at fucking DILLARDS, man. I gotta go in here. I hate fucking going in stores. But, you know, nigga gotta do what he gotta do for baby girl. But yeah, when I come back out, we getting on the interstate. And I'm gonna give y'all some good ass pulls in the 392. Cause don't too many niggas give y'all the motherfucking videos on the SRT8 392s. When I searched YouTube before I was getting this shit, I was seeing a whole bunch of dumb shit, like old SRT8s and shit. So it wasn't too much shit on this shit. Like, I ain't really know if I wanted to commit to it or not. And then, you know, these shits got the 5-speed transmissions instead of the 8. A lot of people say you get more power with the fast because you ain't gotta really like keep switching and shit. So I don't know too much about that shit. I think this motherfucker got a cold air intake on this motherfucker too. Need to goddamn get this bitch dynoed or something. I think that's the problem that I'm getting with this motherfucking check engine light for real. I think it's on some shit like the fucking engine ain't heating up to the right temperature and time. So that shit keep throwing a cold and shit. But yeah, let me stop talking. Let me go ahead and get this shit for my daughter. And I'll be right back. Y'all look at Beto, man. Y'all can't tell me she don't look good. About to get hit by a fucking car. Finna go in this bitch. Escalator game. DILLARDS. This shit crazy. I gotta go to customer service. Told me I gotta go back this way. Let's see if I can find this motherfucker. I think this is it. How you doing? I was trying to see, thank you. You too. Damn, that was easy. Damn, it's like an effort from the idea. Anytime I could have been anybody come to get these fucking shoes. This shit crazy. It's almost Christmas time. I don't know what fucking door I came in. Thank you. Can you get this one, man? Fuck, man. Fuck. This one over here, because that's the nigga that I talked to. I figured she would cut walking this little first team. Fucking getting my steps in. But this ain't the right door. I'm snapping. Damn, this ain't the right. Fuck, man. I need to get an air tag immediately. Oh, this shit's crazy. That's the first thing I see. You know, we're gonna try all of them. This guy. There go, babe. Man, shit look like I got a flat tire from me. Kicking over shit. We back. Start her ass up. Woo. Woo. Back in the motherfucking whip. Gotta turn that off before a nigga get copyrighted. About to go on this motherfucking ride, man. Hopefully we won't run into no goddamn traffic on the way back this way, man. I'm in Virginia Beach, home of the motherfucking police. I'ma have to goddamn chill out while I drive, you know what I mean? Like, till I get to the interstate and shit. I really don't even know where the fuck I'm at in this parking lot, man. These niggas got the most trickiest goddamn parking. Woo! Move, boy. Starting to get dark. I got another banger coming for y'all, man. Y'all gotta just stay tuned. Keep rocking with a nigga on early. everything will get better on the come up. Nigga invest in their craft, this shit always get better, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get to this fucking interstate, and we gonna turn up. Hopefully we have some good ass goddamn rides, some good ass people up there that ain't scared to drive they goddamn car too. So yeah, we be back in like 2 seconds. About to see what these motherfuckers talking about. Give y'all some good old pulls. Show y'all how that Street 92 get down, man. We're gone, just like that. We're gone. Ain't no reason to play with them on the exit. What we playing with them for? We gone. We ain't playing with them. What we doing right now? Allegedly a good 90 ball? I think so. In a what? In a 5.5? Ah! They supposed to be going this fast? I'ma slow it down and then I'ma pick it back up for y'all. Once she drop back. She in 79 right now. There's no hands too. Because allegedly I'm doing some shit that's legal in my state that ain't legal in y'all state. And don't even worry about what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? We driving with the knee. That's what we doing. I don't know too many niggas that can drive 84 miles per hour with the knee. Now I can't find my lighter. I guess I ain't doing the shit that's legal in my state that ain't legal in your state no more. You hear them pipes, man? That bitch, go. Y'all gonna stop sleeping on them 8s, man. These Scatpacks, I need to catch a good Scatpack owner that wanna move they shit. I swear, since I got this shit, I don't run into none of them niggas that was big and bad when I had the fucking V6, man. I swear to God, I used to run into niggas every fucking day that wanted to race. But now, don't nobody want to race. That shit crazy as fuck. I ain't turn this bitch up. Still how I got it. I think the only thing the motherfuckers might have did to it was put a cold air intake on this shit. I ain't no car nigga, so I don't know what a cold air intake look like. I'm from the V6, so I couldn't tell you what the air filter look like on a regular 6.4 liter. I think the motherfucker got a cold air. This shit is hard for me to let the jump drop back down. This shit on 70. I'm gonna slow it down. Take my foot up the gas. Try to find this goddamn lighter. I just had that bitch before I cut the damn video back up. Can't be great, man. It's crazy because I wasn't even gonna do it because... Hold up, hold up. Woo! All I need is that motherfucking Pro Charger. It is 12. We'll dial it back just a little bit. I don't know if that's 12 or not. So, if it is 12, I can goddamn slow it down a tad bit. Nah, that ain't 12. That's somebody grams. That's somebody grams. And they gonna go on the ground. Woo! Gosh almighty, that bitch move. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. That bitch be gone. And it's crazy, I can't find my damn lighter, man. One thing grooving, the other thing ain't grooving. I had that bitch grooving before I got down started the goddamn camera down. That bitch don't want to groove. I need to stop at fucking somewhere, Dollar Tree or something, to get a goddamn gift bag. This big ass 18-wheeler trying to get over. Them niggas be bucking. Look at this nigga. That nigga just buck hard as hell. Niggas don't be trying to let them big bitches over. Nigga like me gonna let them over because you hit my shit. I'm a fake an injury. I might goddamn break a bone in my back or some shit. Never know. It ain't gonna fuck up this bad. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what type of shit y'all wanna see. I wish these people get out my way. Ooh. We on their ass. We on their ass. We on your ass, Honda Civic. We on your ass, Mr. Honda Civic. See that lane right there is a trap because really that shit turned into a one lane. So this the best lane. You know, I'm from Virginia. I ain't from Virginia Beach, but I'm from motherfucking Norfolk. 757. If y'all in the area, link up, tap in. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Dream Chasers and them boys. Shout out my boy Katana. You know what I'm saying? These real life niggas that I know from 757 that be dealing with the cars and shit. Yeah, don't nobody be up here trying to try, nigga, man. That's the bad part. That's why I'm trying to get people in my area that's gonna link up. So when we do fuck the road up, it ain't just my gap. They took it. See? That's why you can't really cut up in fucking Virginia traffic, man. See how that nigga just hopped right in front of me. Doing a 70 ball at Lennox, like Pooh Shiesty said. That bitch go though. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay in tune with your boy, man. It's only the beginning. We gonna keep going up. We gonna find motherfuckers to race. Put the SRT8 against the Scatpack, the 5-speed versus the 8-speed trans. We both got the SRT8 too, cause I ain't got the old goddamn SRT8. I'm trying to see how that really weigh up against it. Cause it goddamn crashed the red eye, man. That would have been some hell of a content to put the motherfucking red eye up against it. But no, he gonna come back with some shit. When he come back with some shit, look how y'all turned up, man. I'm halfway to the crib and the traffic still OD. That 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock traffic out here in VA, man. Shit be retarded as hell. Look forward to 70. We at 70 ball. We got a little space for a little song. We on your ass, postman. We on your ass. Waiting for a motherfucker in a goddamn Scatpack or a goddamn Hellcat to come up. I know the Hellcat might do me a little dirty, but the Scatty, I feel like I can get the Scatty in this bitch. I'm trying to tell you, this bitch. I was watching Vontae shit the other day and he was driving somebody's Scatpack and he was like, this shit can't be, this how I feel about this shit, man. This shit can't be like bone stock. I know the straight pipe probably add like 5 horsepower. I don't know what the fuck else done to this shit. I really need to see what's up. Take this shit to somebody that know this shit instead of a nigga that just driving it and paying for it like me. Y'all, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned with your boy, cause we gonna be coming with bangers and bangers. I'm trying to stay consistent with this shit. Every time I get in this bitch a rip, I'ma goddamn record for y'all, know what I'm saying? Wait till I get in tune with some other niggas so we can see the creativity and shit that niggas bring out behind these cars. Y'all already know on my last jump, I had the wide body kit, these lights that I got up here, some other shit. So just stay tuned, next video, I'm bringing some shit back to the car that I had in the other car. A lot of people been saying that they like the shit that I got in my car. So I'm gonna walk y'all step through step of how I put the shit in the car and all that shit next video. Stay tuned, see what I'm talking about, man. Again, like, share, subscribe. Damn. Y'all follow my Instagram, that's @PetitFelipe with the 1 for the first I. I'm gonna drop that shit down right here for you.